welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I'm doing a standing exercises really for the abs and also the arms. We're going to only do 3 exercises and we're going to do it in a set of 3. Now I have got some weight, one weight here, a kettlebell, which is a 3 kg. You can go heavier. You don't even have to use any weights at all if you're a complete beginner, or maybe even a tin of baked beans or something from your kitchen. Just something for a bit of resistance if you possibly can. So first things first, I like to stand with my shoulders nice and relaxed and my core engaged. So I just like to literally place my hand onto my tummy and just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement. This also supports the back as well. And then I'm making sure that my shoulders is in line almost with my ears, so you're nice and straight. So we're now placing our dumbbell and we're going to change hands and arms, if you like, and I'm almost going to do like a hammer curl. Like it's going to come up and then we're going to lift it up into the air, come back down and then down again. And let's do this 8 times on each arm. So coming up, 1, going slowly up, but also coming slowly down. Coming down is just as important as going up. 2, and try to keep your arm as close as you can to your side, so you're not going outwards too much. 3, 4, holding in that core. 5, 6, 7, arms should start feeling a little bit tired now, and the last one, lift up, and 8 and come down. Again, now onto the other arm, so making sure we're nice and relaxed, core nice and engaged, nice and straight, come up, lift up into the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I quite like to do these usually in the afternoon, actually, when my body is slightly more, we've used the muscles and everything's like more limber, so you're not too stiff. And let's just do 2 more here. So coming up, all the way up, come down slowly, and the last one, coming up, come down, and slowly there. So the exercise we're going to do now, we're going to place our dumbbell either side of our hands, if you like, and we're literally just going to come up and crunch, touching the knee. Come up, and we'll just do this 8 times on each side. Again, holding in the core. 2, 3, 4, it's good for balance as well. 5, 6, 2 more sets. 1, really concentrate, and the last time, and relax. So now let's work a little bit on those triceps here. So coming forward, just placing one leg in front slightly and slightly bend. Again, you don't want your knees to go over your toes, and we're going to just lift our arm up and come back, and we just do this for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and come back down. And then again with the other arm, coming down, slightly bent knee for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and come back down. So again, I did before, nice and straight, core engaged, starting with almost like a hammer curl, coming up all the way to the ceiling. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just think of the arms. No more flabby arms. 6. And then I think we'll just do 1 more extra. So lifting up, all the way up, and slowly, gently come down. And then on the other arm. You want to make sure your knees are nice and soft, as well as your core being engaged. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and lifting up 1 last time. Ooh, and that's 8, coming down. Again, placing our hands with our kettlebell or our baked bean tin, and we just lift and alternate legs and place almost the bending and crunching down, almost placing the weight to the knee. 2, 3, 6, almost there guys, 7, 8, and last one. Right, so then we'll get on to our next exercise. So what we're going to do now is come forward just with one of the legs. The leg which doesn't have the weight is the leg you want to go forward. Slight bend in the knee, not going over the toes. Bend, coming forward slightly, but keeping it straight back, lifting up the arm for 8. 1, 2, core engaged. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and come back down and onto the other side. So again, placing leg, lifting up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stretch that out and come back down and give it a little shake out. So now we're on to our last set. So again, just reset if you like, placing your hand onto core, making sure that your core is nice and engaged, shoulders nice and relaxed, nice soft knees, straight back, and we'll just start with a hammer curl coming up now. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more to go, 1, and the last one on this arm, and gently come down, and then onto the other arm. Right, so coming up for 1, 2, remembering to breathe, 3, 4. If you are in a seated position, you can actually do this sitting down. You don't have to be standing up if you do find it difficult to actually stand whilst doing these. Right, 3 more to go. 1, bring that core. 2, oh, arms getting tired. And the third one, 3, and shake it out. Now taking our dumbbell here, taking our hands crouching down. Just remembering nice tight core when you're doing this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the last one, the triceps. Coming forward, placing leg forward, making sure that our knees not over our toes, slightly bending, engaging the core, making sure that back is nice and straight, and lifting the arms up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, should be getting slightly tired now, and last one, 8. Come gently rising back up, and then on the other side, slightly hinging forward for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8, and come down. So for one little Billy bonus, let's just do one set to really help with these obliques here. So we end up with a really nice defined waistline, if you like. So with our weight, standing nice and straight, core engaged, soft knees, we're just gently going to come down and up. Let's just do this for 8 on each side. 2, 3, you can come up a little bit faster. 4, slowly down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the last set on the other side, coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more to go, and the last one, and shake it out. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video and you really found it useful. Please comment down below, tell me where you're from, and if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you, or yoga as well. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up, it really does help with the algorithm. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.